Dear parents and students, I am thrilled to share some wonderful news with you today. Our school has achieved tremendous success in the SSC Board Exam 24. This year our students have truly excelled and we have a lot to celebrate. First and foremost, we are immensely proud to announce that Ms. Kanak Patil has secured an outstanding 98% and emerged as a top scorer in the entire Dhule district of Nashik division. This is a remarkable accomplishment and we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Kanak for her dedication, hard work and perseverance. In addition to this phenomenal achievement, we have more reason to be proud. Out of 235 students who appeared for the exam, 25 students have scored more than 95% and an impressive 145 students have achieved over 90%. These results are a reflection of high academic standard we maintain at RCP English Medium Secondary School and the unwavering support provided by our dedicated teachers. We would like to take this moment to congratulate all our students for their exceptional performance. Your hard work and determination have truly paid off and you have made us very proud. A special thanks to our management for their continuous support in guiding and supporting us, and to the parents for their constant encouragement. So, let us continue to strive for excellence and support our students in reaching even greater heights. RCP English Medium Secondary School remains committed to providing the best education and nurturing our students towards achieving their fullest potential. Once again, congratulations to everyone and let us keep up the great work. Thank you. सर्व विद्यार्थिनी पालकांना माझा नमस्कार. मी डॉक्टर अमोल परब, मुख्याध्यापक RC पटेल इंग्लिश मीडियम सेकंडरी स्कूल शिरपूर. आज मला आपल्याशी बोलताना खूप आनंद होतोय की मार्च 2023-24 मध्ये झालेल्या SSC बोर्ड परीक्षेत आपल्या शाळेतील 100% विद्यार्थ्यांनी उल्लेखनीय निकाल मिळवले आणि पुन्हा एकदा शैक्षणिक गुणवत्तेचं प्रदर्शन केलंय. गर्वाची बाब म्हणजे आपल्या शाळेची विद्यार्थिनी कुमारी कनक पाटील हिने प्रभावी 98% गुण मिळवून संपूर्ण धुळे जिल्ह्यामध्ये प्रथम क्रमांक मिळवलाय. तिच्या समर्पण आणि कठोर परिश्रमाने शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टतेसाठी एक मानदंड स्थापित केलाय आणि आपल्या संस्थेला तिचा खूप अभिमान आहे. तसेच परीक्षेला बसलेल्या 235 विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी 25 विद्यार्थ्यांनी 95% पेक्षा जास्त गुण मिळवले आणि विशेष उल्लेखनीय म्हणजे 144 विद्यार्थ्यांनी 90% पेक्षा जास्त गुण मिळवले. सोबतच सर्व 235 विद्यार्थी विशेष प्रावीण्य श्रेणीमध्ये म्हणजेच डिस्टिंक्शनमध्ये उत्तीर्ण झाले, जे शिक्षणाचे उच्च दर्जा आणि आमचे विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक दोघांची वचनबद्धता अधोरेखित करते. RCP इंग्लिश मीडियम सेकंडरी स्कूल पुन्हा एकदा चमकल्याबद्दल सर्वांचे अभिनंदन. धन्यवाद.